Hello friends, hi, this is Ganesh Nayak. FRM exam is just around the corner and let me share with you last 5-day preparation tips which can help you to prepare and clear in a very efficient manner. The first one, review high impact topics. Now for the exam, try to focus on key concepts or topics which are of highest weightage in the exam. They are generally the foundation concepts and they are covered in multiple sections. So focus on them and also try to focus on less confident topics which can help you to increase your score in the exam. The second point, practice mock papers. At least one mock papers you should give in the last 5 days which can help you to understand what is the actual exam, simulate the actual exam condition, and also you are in a better condition to manage the time for the exam. And by doing this mock, you'll be able to understand what are your weak areas and so that you can revise those topics again. The third point, do not cram. Avoid learning anything new in the last few days because instead of that, you should focus on reinforcing what you've already done. Cramping new material can lead to confusion and also lead to more anxiety. The fourth point, flashcard and summaries. If any student has already created any flashcard or summaries or formulas of key concepts, important terms, review it again and again for the last 5 days. Fifth point, very, very important, manage stress. Because the exam fees is very high, stress and anxiety is very normal, but it should not impact your performance of the exam. So focus more on deep breathing, meditation, light exercise, which can help you to manage your stress on the actual exam day in a better manner. Sixth point, sleep and nutrition. Prioritize enough sleep in the last 5 days. Okay, your mind should be very active on the day of the exam. So make sure you have a balanced diet, proper sleep in the last 5 days. Don't take much stress. Okay. Seventh point, time management strategy. Plan your approach in such a way that when you go to the exam, you know how much time you're going to dedicate to which section. Okay. Also, try to manage strategies that you have created before the exam on the actual day of the exam, but if there is any surprise, you should be able to take care of that also. The eighth point, review your mistakes. Very, very important. Not many students actually do. Whatever mistakes you did while practicing question bank, going to the content, you should note down and you should review those mistakes so that you do not repeat it in the actual exam day. Ninth, stay confident and positive. Repeat yourself that you have the ability, you have already given so much time for the exam, and make yourself comfortable with the content and the exam preparation. So remain positive for the exam. And finally, the 10th point, stay organized. Keep all your relevant materials like your identification details, your calculator, your admit card print, everything should be available easily. Do not create a mess for it. So all of these 10 points I'm sure will help you to be better prepared for the actual exam date, and you can clear and engage with the exam in a better manner. So if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and also share this video to all your friends who are preparing for the FRM exam.